Have you recently had your home inspected and learned that you have bowed or cracked crawl space walls? Bowing walls are an issue that you don't want to leave untreated. If you have bowed crawl space walls, you're probably wondering if wall anchors might be the right solution for you. In this video, we will discuss if it's possible to install wall anchors in your crawl space. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. Wall anchors are a great solution for stabilizing your home's cracked or bowed walls. But is it possible to install them into your crawl space? We will be answering that question in this video. But before we do, we first need to learn what wall anchors are. We go over what wall anchors are in more details in previous videos. And you can click the card on the screen now to learn more about what wall anchors are. In short, wall anchors are made up of two plates and a threaded rod that connects your basement or crawl space wall to the ground outside of your home. Installing wall anchors will help stabilize your wall from moving any further. The size of the plate for each wall anchor will vary depending on the plate that is used. The threaded rod length can also vary based on the length that is needed, but it's common to use a rod that is between 10 and 15 feet in length. Wall anchors can be installed in your crawl space. If your wall is bowing more than 2 inches, or the space is too damp for a carbon fiber straps epoxy to stick, a wall anchor is then the best solution to fix your bowed crawl space wall. If you have questions about wall anchors or a bowed wall in your crawl space, give us a call to schedule an appointment for one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click on the Book a Consultation button in the top right corner. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about wall anchors? If so, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl spaces and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.